See, price is coming up to this recent one. Hello, 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 hello. There we go. We're good, we're good. morning, J. Cole. What up? What up? Let me go grab a water. The tappy tappy. Good morning, brother. Hopefully that music isn't annoying, but again, I don't really care. You guys can see my screen, right? You don't need to see my face. My face is on YouTube. Let's see if we break on the 5. Probably gonna get copyrighted on YouTube, but who gives a shit? All the copyright free music sucks though. Free elevator music? I don't know if I want to trade you that. Num, 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 num. What's everybody's your predictions today? What do you think's gonna happen? Yeah, news today, do we? I don't think we do. Oop. Okay, alright. Alright, let's see this market open. Ripski to the upside. Rip into the upside, mate. You guys probably, do you know this little trick? Why I mark my fair value gap out like this in the hourly time frame? Anybody got an idea? We got 2 people in here right now, so it's a secret sauce for 2 people. Take any guesses? Why do I not have it marked here? Nobody know? You see this gap? It's called a volume imbalance. Right? When we have a volume imbalance like that, we take it from the most recent wick to the candle body because we have a volume imbalance here. So this is true equilibrium of this range. If you're marking this out from here to here, this isn't true equilibrium of that range. Same thing with up here. This would be another example. Coming into this hourly gap. True equilibrium of this range. I'm actually going to mark that one out instead. I don't care about this one. Do we have that on NQ? We don't, do we? Where is that? Right there? Yeah, no, we don't. If you watch ICT's content, you'll understand what I just talked about with volume and balance. Go to his page to understand that. Got this 15-minute bullish gap here. Now we still have a broke structure in the 15-minute time frame. We did on NQ. I would like to reach this hourly high. I would like to reach it. What up, Nobi? Grand Rising Boss? Yes, sir. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. y'all boys looking at today? I'm looking at shorts personally. That's just me. Could be wrong. Does it sound like I'm far away? See? No? I don't know what mic it's on. Is that better? Is that better or no? Yep. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. I think it was connected to my camera. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Come on, give me a little something extra. Give me a little something extra. I don't want this shit right here. Give me something a little extra. Ah, come on, you fucker. This is lining up perfectly with my bias too. Can we not just dump straight through? We might just want to keep continuing lower here. This amount of today's live likings for full point. I just want to be full port. NQ's already almost at this daily low all the way down here. But I think we can continue lower all the way down to these daily lows. That's my opinion. I'm just waiting for that one little retrace higher that I want to see for me to get in on anything. I'm staying patient here. Oh, NQ's in a dump to this daily low, dude. Yeah. This could be a 12-point stop. First TP. We can let that run all the way to New York low. Where's my phone? 12 points. Might go in here. We'll see.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna go in here. I don't want this to be the bottom though. That's the only thing. 95, 75 I have my stop at. Let's see, because NASDAQ's gonna take out this daily low. This could definitely be a potential reversal spot. Let's see if I get skunked here. This is definitely a potential reversal spot. See if I get skunked here. My break even is going to be here. And then I'm going to let it ride. I believe we can continue lower here. This is going to be my break even. I'm going to have my stop above this candle's body. But we are going to come down and sweep out a daily low. I want to see if we might get a reaction off of this daily low here. That's the only thing I don't want to see. I want us to flush through this, but this is a strong draw. This is a strong draw, but can we push straight lower to this daily low? That's the only thing I don't want to see us react off of this here. Let's see. It's a possibility. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm only going to risk 180 on this one per account, so I'll risk 1.8K on this one. But I believe we could continue lower. 756. Where's 56? Seven five five six 75561. Yeah, this might be a reversal spot. Let's see. I'm anticipating that we can continue lower though. Let's see what happens. We'll see what happens. NQ took out that daily low. That's the only thing I don't like. NQ took out that daily low. But I believe we could take out this. I'm going to take a partial at this 4-hour low. And let the other two run. And I'm going to let it run all the way to New York low. This would be crazy. We could take a partial here. Break even. This could be 25%. And this could be 100%. 100% could be at 754. 7556, 7556. 1, 2, and then 7544. 7544. I'll put it at 45. That's what we'll look for. I'm gonna do 50% TP here and let it run. This is gonna be my break even. I'm anticipating Nasdaq's gonna come down, take out this 4-hour and daily low. I don't want us to react off of this daily low right now. I want to just push through it. And the 950 macro, we might continue higher though. We'll see. But I'm anticipating we're just gonna continue lower all day. That's my overall game plan today. I believe we can at least reach these lows. We'll see. I'm not a fan where I entered because it's daily low though. It's the only thing. Yikes. Yikes. That's no good. That's no good. That's a no good. Yeesh. Yikes on that one. That's no good. Alright, might get stopped out on this one. Let's see. We still got potential. But I don't like all this right here. We might want to take that out. And it's looking like we do. That daily low on NQ is definitely a spot where we can retrace. To continue higher one more time. I was really hoping that ES could get follow through there, but let's see. We broke back to the upside on the 1 minute time frame too. Oh no, we didn't. Now we did. So let's see if we come into this 1 minute gap, respect it, and get stopped out. Looking like we're gonna get stopped out. Ah! That's what I didn't want to happen, but we knew we had the potential to do that, so let's see if we get stopped out here. Nasdaq's coming into this 5 minute gap. Maybe we can reverse off of this, but I doubt it. We'll see. Let's see if we have a nice stop loss here or not. coming into this 1 minute gap. Let's see if we want to fill it and continue higher. If we inverse it, that'd be an awesome sign, but as of now, I'm not liking the trade where we're at. We might want to fill this 1 minute gap and continue higher. But NQ is coming into this 5 minute gap right now. Maybe we could start reacting off of this. That would be cool, but remember, we're sweeping out a daily low, so that might not matter. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's see if we have a nice stop loss on this. You would like us to push straight through this 1 minute gap. If we push higher and we don't close it like a nice bearish candle here, I'm not gonna be a fan. No, we're tapping into this now. Let's see. Let's see how this 1 minute candle closes. This will be a big tell. This will be a big tell. See if we get stopped out on this candle here, or if we could push through. I'd like to inverse this volume imbalance right here too. We have this volume imbalance right here. If we can inverse that volume imbalance too, that'd be cool, but we'll see. If I was in a buy position right now, I'd want to respect this 1 minute gap and continue higher to take out these highs. But if we can go straight through this 1 minute gap and also this volume imbalance, I would expect our break even at least get hit. But we'll see. Yeah. Not a fan of that candle right there, guys. I'm just gonna accept the risk on this one. Oh, 10 a.m.'s about to hit too. Let's see if we're still in by 10 a.m. How's the 5 minute looking? We might create that 15 minute fair value gap above here, dude. Not a fan of that, mate. Let's see. Can we form a 1 minute SMT here off of this high? 952, right? 952. Let's see. One minute SMT, 1 minute break of structure, 1 minute inverse fair value gap. That's what we want to see. Well, let's see if it happens. They're trying. We formed the 1 minute SMT. Will it hold though? This gap is still holding. 10 a.m. might stop us out. We'll see. Oh, we're going to form a big 15-minute gap over here on NQ2, dude. Yeesh. Oh, we're going to form a 15-minute gap right here. That might make me want to move my stop loss up a little bit, dude. To above this body, but then I'm going to be risking 20 points. It's a little too much. I don't want to move my stop loss based off of that. Yeah, we're about to form a 15-minute gap right here. We're still above it. We are still above it, but we're gonna come fill that. Yeah, we're gonna come fill that. Yeah, we're gonna come fill that. Let's see if I get stopped. It's looking like it. I think I'm gonna get stopped out on this one. I'm pretty sure. Something I'd fix about this is not entering when we're sweeping out a daily low. But I accepted the risk of that happening because, again, we know that daily low could definitely be a reversal zone, and it ended up being it. I thought we were going to continue straight through it, but I was just wrong. Yeah, I'm getting stopped out on this one. GG's on this one. GG's on this one. Yep, here we go. Just take me out of my misery. Just take me out of my misery. Just take me out of my misery.
Stop filled.
You suck. What do you mean were? You should not be entering a trade just because I enter a trade. I got stopped out, not were. I'll put in the wins and losses chat. If you're copying my trades, dude, you're in the wrong Discord. I'm going to tell you that. You are in the wrong Discord. All right, loss for me on the day right now. We still have the opportunity to take one more trade, but I'm going to make sure I'm out of all my positions right now, and I'm going to reevaluate. We'll see what happens. I need to put it in the wins and losses chat. like always. You've been wanting to take sells. Well, this is a bad time to say I went against you, haha. But not entering. No, it's dude, trade how you're gonna trade. I'm not gonna be right all the time. I'm not gonna be right all the time. I'm just doing what I'm doing. I'm running my business here. We were close. How much did I lose on that one? I think I lost 2,000 on that one. Pretty sure. Yep, 2.16K. 2.16K. Thing I want to look at though is, let me reevaluate here. Got that 15-minute bearish. Which did we take out? We took out that daily low, which is all the way down here. When I journal that trade, I'm going to journal it about how NQ was sweeping that daily low, which is definitely a reversal spot, but I thought we had the potential to continue lower, but we were coming into this gap also. I didn't see that hourly gap. I'm going to X out this hourly right now. See if you want to continue higher off of this. It's definitely a possibility. Sounds good, Nobi. Peace out. Person I like trading at night or setting and forgetting. Yeah, I don't trade at night either unless it's gold Asian session. Let me check the 4 hour. Let's see how we're looking on the 4 hour. We got this 4 hour fair value gap above that we ended up creating. Could want to retrace into that. Got that 4 hour above on NASDAQ and ES. I think price like reverse around 950 to 1015. I don't know, I may be wrong, but I've been interesting. Did we form an hourly SMT? No, we didn't. I'm gonna sit on my hands right now because I want to see what happens when we get into this 4 hour. I was just completely wrong on those shorts, so. When you get the chance, look at it and tell me if I'm wrong. Wrong on what? Price reversing at specific times? I mean, there's macro There's macro time frames and stuff, but I wish trading was that easy. You know? But there's macro time frames from like 9:50 to 10:10. You got the 11 a.m. macro, 10:30 sometimes reverses, yeah, but we look like we're coming for this 4-hour gap. If you're in longs, it's looking good right now. This would be a strong target. I anticipated the totally wrong thing on that. What we didn't want to happen happened. But it's part of trading. Yeah, we still have $2,000 drawdown on these group of 10 of accounts, so we're chilling. There you go, Mr. T-Long. There you go. At least somebody made money. Remember, post wins and losses and entries and everything in the wins and losses section. Yes, sir. Peace out. I'm gonna be patient here and wait. Yeah. I'm still bearish right now. I want to see us come to this 4 hour. I wasn't paying attention to that 10 a.m. candle closure, but again. I want to see us come to this 4 hour. But I'm not bullish at all right now because, again, we're still bearish in the daily time frame, right? We inverse this daily gap also. We're bearish on the 4 hour time frame. We're bearish on the hourly time frame. We might just want to make a manipulation higher and maybe continue lower. So we'll see. The one thing I would change about that trade, and I'm going to journal it tonight, is when we're sweeping out that daily low on NASDAQ, it's definitely a potential reversal spot. And I've said that like 5 times already, but that's what I'm going to journal about this trade. But I really thought we could get some follow through there. At least, I don't know. I mean, we have so many draws down below, especially on ES. I thought we could at least take out our break-even level, these 4 hour / hourly lows. But we'll see if we want to retrace into this, because we're going to come into this 4 hour order block. 4 hour fair value gap. We'll see if we want to retrace into this and then move lower for the day. That could be a possibility, unless we just want to go straight to this 4 hour gap and just continue higher. But we'll see. My rules allow me one more trade, so we'll see if we get that opportunity. If we don't, and then we don't. We still haven't even broke structure in the 5-minute time frame yet either, to the upside. So we'll see. We'll see. I like it. I can see higher for sure. Yeah. I'm gonna disagree on that one. But that's trading for you. We all see different things. I want to see if we reverse higher, reverse lower off of this gap here. If we continue higher though, I'm not going to trade anymore. I'll just take my loss for the day. But I really want to see what happens once we start coming to this hourly high. I think this is a 15-minute high, isn't it? I know. Yeah, this is a 15-minute high. A 15-minute high here, 15-minute high here. I can see us taking out all this above. 15-minute. Where's that here? Do we have that? That's that hourly high. So let's mark this out as that 15-minute high here. That's that hourly high on NQ, right? Yeah. But again, if we look at the daily time frame, we could just still consolidate in this range. Because again, we haven't been doing anything on the daily time frame. We've just been consolidating in this range. So we'll see. I like trading all-time highs. All-time highs is easy in my opinion because you just keep going with the trend. I think this is way harder because we're consolidating in a range and we're not having follow-through with anything. That'd be my opinion. I feel like all-time highs, your bias should be long until it's not. If we don't have any draws to target, you don't trade. You don't force shorts. You don't try and predict the top. You just wait for your opportunity to take long. Yeah. Alright, I'm paying attention to this draw right here. We came out and swept this. This is that 6 a.m. high. So, yep, that's this high right here. That's that hourly high. See if we just wanted to retrace higher. See what happens. I feel like the market conditions we've been in lately, a lot of people have been blowing accounts. A lot of people have been blowing accounts. I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle closure because I want to see if we form that 5-minute S&T off that draw we were talking about. Let's see if we were correct, just wrong entry. It's a possibility. This would be a freaking big ass trade though if we had to hold all the way down there, dude. That would be a holder. Paper trade it if you don't take it. See it. I'm gonna stick to my rules and stick to how I trade. My system allows me to take one more trade if I see an opportunity. I trust my ability to take one more trade if I see something. If I want to paper trade it, I'll paper trade it, but I'm not scared of taking another loss right now. It's in my risk management plan. Peace out. Peace out. I'm doing my wrongs. Yes, sir. I want to see this 5-minute candle close. Let's see if we form that 5-minute SMT or not. Yeah, nobody was here for a little bit. Point stop. Oh. We came above this SMT, so it's invalidated. Looks like you want to keep going higher. What time we rolling with? 10:30. Yes, continuing higher. Nasdaq still hasn't even broke structure on the 5. I'm still confident in shorts right now. I want to see what happens here. I'm just going to be patient. I'm down 10K. What? Your paper trade. Interesting. I want to see NQ tap into this if it can. We'll see if we can. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes and we'll see if I'll just end it on a loss today. We're tapping into this 4-hour order block. We're tapping into this 4-hour fair value gap. We'll see. ES is tapping into it. NQ is literally doing nothing. Let me get this for the Instagram story in case you don't take a trade. Alright guys, we ended up taking a trade today. I'll show you it. Actually, let me do this so I can pull it up. The wins and losses section. Alright guys, we ended up taking a trade. We ended up taking a loss, right? I went short today, so I was completely wrong and I'm fine with admitting it. We'll show you guys entries, exits. We lost around $2,000 today on these accounts. This is the trade I was looking to take. I thought we could follow through and continue to the downside. But again, I'll show you guys this. So far this month, 2 wins, 1 loss, right? So we'll show that. We'll be transparent with it. But yeah, I'm going to go back and review today's trade. I like the trade, but again, I think I was just completely wrong today, and I'm fine with admitting that, and that's just part of trading. So again, we've only taken 3 trades so far this month now. It's nice that we took a trade, but again, ended up being an L. We're going to see if another opportunity does present itself. As of now, it's not looking like it. We might just end it on a loss. If we do take a trade, I'll keep you guys updated. Whether it's a win, loss, break even, who knows, or we don't take a trade. So we'll see. All right, peace out. All right, guys, we ended up taking a trade. We ended up taking a loss, right? I went short today, so I was completely wrong, and I'm fine with admitting it. Entries, exits. We lost around $2,000 today on these accounts. This is the trade I was looking to take. I thought how much did we lose? 2,160. But again, I'll show you guys this. So far this month, 2 wins, 1 loss. Right? So we'll show that. We'll be transparent with it.
What is up, DC? What is up, DC?
Don't get any more transparent than that, though, ladies. Peace out. Peace out. Crazy as it sounds, I'm still confident in shorts. Call me crazy if you'd like, but I'm gonna trust my opinion. Call me crazy. Do we want to follow through though? That's the only thing. We haven't gotten any follow through. Do you want these lows, mate? Do you want them? Do you want them? It's a big stop still though, dude. You could run 62 points. You could run 62 points.
Descendants Wicked Wonderland is taking you on a journey down a rabbit hole. Welcome to my
Dude, I really thought we were gonna break out of this daily range today, and we fucking don't. I really thought that was gonna play. But we're gonna do this stupid wick shit again. I really thought we had the opportunity to at least take this out. Even come down and take that out. Might not want to do it today, but I guess we still want to consolidate in this range. And we're not doing much now, so... That's why we have a stop loss, though, because when you're completely wrong like that, that happens. What are these accounts at still? Yeah, we're still chilling. No 15-minute SMT. Dog. Form another 15-minute high. That's crazy. I've only taken 2 trades this month so far. ES has got to sweep these highs unless we edge them, and this is where we're going to start to reverse down. If we mark out the fib, we form that hourly low. Yeah, we need to come all the way down here within the next 12 minutes. Kind of suspicious to me that we still haven't broke on the 5-minute time frame on NQ. Wee bit suspicious, mate. What up, Tito? Another 5-minute SMT. Come on, dude. Oh my god. Really, Wing Wong? Really? I don't care about a 15-minute fair value gap right now when we're coming out of a 4-hour gap. We're gonna go straight through this bitch. Wow. Ugh. Stop us all out when we go short, and then just continue lower after. Just dump. Just go. Just leave. Get away. I want to see the 5-minute time frame break structure to the downside on ES. That's what I want to see. That's what I'm waiting for. I want both indexes to be correlated with each other right now. NASDAQ's in this 15-minute gap. Oh my god. This could have been a good break-even level if we entered off of equilibrium of this range, but we didn't have the confirmation yet. And then we could have let it run to these lows, which would have been a 196-point trade. We already know we swept that daily low, so. You stink like butter. Is this what we're really about to do, dog? Oh my god, we are, aren't we? For real, dude. We were waiting for it. Apparently I was crazy, so remember that. Broke structure on the 5-minute time frame on ES. Also, we're gonna. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Ugh. Please, Lord Jesus. Yeah, I know, right? Please, Lord Jesus, form this 5-minute bearish gap, inverse this 15-minute, and hit us with the Wing Wong special like this. Close here, come into this 5-minute. We could target this hourly low as first TP, and we can leave a runner to jolly who knows where. Unless we just dump. Which I won't be upset at all with that because, again, we predicted the overall market if it continues to do that. But let's see if it wants to continue higher because we did leave relative equal highs here. But this isn't going to be an hourly high. We're rejecting out of this... Shit. We're rejecting out of this 4-hour order block. We're rejecting out of this hourly order block also. This 4-hour gap. Book structure. 5-minute SMT. Do we want to continue lower? Who knows? Who freaking knows? Who knows? We are going to have relative equal highs above, though, so let's keep that as an FYI. With the 11 a.m. macro, let's see if we get some movement, or let's see if we respect this 15-minute gap. Right now, it's teasing us. She's teasing me. But we'll see what happens. Right now, I'm still in favor of shorts. 4-hour time frame is showing me it wants shorts. Hourly time frame is showing me it wants shorts. On both indexes. Even if we take the hourly fib level from here to here now, we're... You naughty, naughty. I'm gonna feel like Perry the Platypus if this happens. I'm gonna be pissed. Alright, we're getting a big push out of here. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Hold on a tick. Let's not get our panties in a twist yet here. Okay. Alright. Interesting. You aren't an hourly low yet, sir. Neither are you, are you? Oh no, you are. Only thing is, we're about to form a 5-minute SMT to the upside. Don't drop that dark, eh? Don't drop that dark. Don't drop that dark. Alright, this is gonna be an hourly low. For sure. For sure. And we're still respecting this freaking 4-hour. But this 4-hour candle closes in like 3 hours, yeah. So. Alright. See what happens here. 11 a.m. macro. 11 a.m. macro. We have a 5-minute fair value gap. See how this 5-minute candle closes. See how she closes. See if she wants to come up and target this 4-hour gap above. She might want to. but we'll find out. See if it's gonna fake people up to the upside. We got 5-minute equilibrium from this range to this range also. This is gonna be interesting. How big is this stop loss? Okay, we've got potential. We've got potential. Let's see this 5-minute close, and it'll determine if I'm going to trade or not. If we break structure back to the upside in the 5-minute time frame, I'm not going to trade. If we look like we want to respect what we're thinking of thinking, what I'm thinking of thinking, then we'll see. We got the little teeny weeny 5-minute gap right here. Oh, shitski on a stick. What I would need to see to enter a trade is 5-minute equilibrium, get a bearish candle closure out of it, right? Out of discounted to premium. And then I would need to see a 1-minute break of structure, inverse fair value gap. That's what I would need to see for me to think of taking anything. So I'm going to give this 5 to 10 minutes. We'll see what happens here. And then if we want to, now we have a closer draw also. We could target this hourly low down below. But if we're going to come take out that hourly low, I would assume we take out this 4-hour and this daily. And if you look at this overall market structure on the hourly time frame, to me, sir, this looks bearish, in my opinion. But again, could be totally wrong. I was already wrong once today. So, and we do have a lot of draws up here we could target. But if we break structure on the 5-minute time frame back to the upside, I'll cut it for the day. We'll cut it on a loss, and then we'll go from there. It's life. I think we had good risk management today. We followed our system very well. We waited for another opportunity, didn't force any trades. We trusted the trade that we took. We didn't talk any schmack. And we just performed. You know what I'm saying? Wing Wong, you take that trade too that I took before. I know you take your own trades. I'm not that one kid is talking about we. I was like, dude, you shouldn't be copying what I'm doing if you don't even know what an SMT is yet. Oh my gosh, we could Larry Bird this right here. We could Larry Bird this with 2. We've got a minute left on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to wait for the minute. I'm not going to enter. I'm not going to enter. 54-point stop. What is that? Oh, we could risk 216. We could risk 216 with 2 micros. This would be perfect. This would be perfect to target 155-point trade. 155 times 2 times 2. You'd make 620. You'd make 620. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the 5-minute time frame closure. OMG. Oh, I'm gonna go for it.
Order filled.
Oh, I got in 1. I'm gonna go in 1 right now because that candle closure. If I take this loss, it's whatever. Oh, that candle closure is ass cheeks. I'm gonna have it at 480. Let's see if we lose this. Wait, whoa. Why does it say 480? Should be 29,464. 464. Okay, there we go. Let's Scared me. We can react off this 1 minute right here, though. That's the only thing. This is the only thing. We want to inverse this right here. This is going to be my break even. This low is going to be my break even. Let's see if I get cooked on this, Jeremy. What's going on? Why can't I see my position? Okay. Wait, what? Oh, it's on MNQ. That just scared the poopy out of me. Even 138 times 1. 138 times 2 is 276 per account. We still make our loss back, but still. I didn't like that candle closure there, so I'm gonna hold it off for a second. We're going for the risky play. Will we take another loss? Will we take another loss? Are we gonna trust our overall bias on the day? What are we risking right now? My entry's at 29,388. $75 points. Oh my god. We're risking 150. Okay, 150 plus 213. All right, 363 on the day. I've had bigger losing days with one trade. Did you enter this? Uh-oh, Wing Wong. Pray to the gods. Let's see what happens, dude. I'm going to target this hourly low down below. This is my break-even point right here. This low. We want to skyrocket through that low. Let's see if we even hit our break-even. I would love to hit our break-even. That's a quick break-even. Maybe we can even reduce it to like right here. But we'll see. We'll see if we get follow-through right now. I'm going to keep my stop at 59. I'll keep it at 61-ish. 61. I have it at 61. We'll see what happens. If we lose, we lose. We took 2 trades. We followed our risk management. We went in 1 micro on the second trade. Yeah, we could have went in 2, but we would have been risking a lot more again. So we would have been risking 71 times 2. 71 times 2 times 2. So yeah, we would have been risking 284 per account on that. We're expected to get a pullback here, so I believe we could continue lower. I believe. I think I'm right. We'll find out. If not, it's 2 losses on the day. I like that 5-minute candle closure out of equilibrium. Hourly time frame looks bearish. We could target this hourly low. We could even freaking target all this down here, but Jesus, that would be a one hell of a trade, but I doubt that's going to happen. Don't hedge our TP, please. Don't hedge our TP. I mean our break even. We want to see... Oh no, we don't want to see that. What's this 5-minute? This is that 5-minute low right here. We already went below that. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're back at entry. We're back at entry. Let's X out this equilibrium. And let's mark out this equilibrium.
Come on, Jeremy. Jeremy. Let's get this to play out, please.
29260. 29260. You have it? Yeah. This is a smart idea. I don't even have mine set yet. Where's mine at? Mine's going to be at 29256. 292. Let's see.
Jeremy, we need to respect this right now. We need to get a bearish candle closure out of here.
Oh my god. Okay. 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 You know what we could do, Wing Wong? We could reduce risk to 66 points if we want to 255. And I'm going to keep it at 61. I'm going to keep it at 61. What are we doing? What are we doing? Yeah, once we hit break even, I'm reducing to like here. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to go completely break even. But I'm going to reduce. I would love for you to dump. Can you please not form another higher low here, please? Thank you. Can we start to move to the downside? Okay. Reducing risk on this trade. We want follow through here. I'm reducing risk above that high. I'm going to move this to move stop loss. Move stop loss. And where's our most recent? What is that right here? This could be our break even. Where is it? This could be our break even right here. I'm going to give the trade some room to breathe. But we're going to reduce it to 35 points with 1 micro at $60 per account. We can afford that. That is still good compared to our normal loss. We want follow through here though. Oh wait, we're in a 1 minute gap. Look. We could respect this and continue higher here. We want to inverse this gap right here. Okay. Give me it. Come on. You got 13 seconds. Don't you dare form a big wick here. You got 10 seconds. Okay, we inversed it. We're still in deadly waters though. We're not out of it yet. I'm going to keep my stop above this high, 29,424. I'm currently leaving it. We've reduced our risk. Our trade is, we could, if we took profit right now, we'd be cutting our loss in half. But I'm not doing that. We're letting this run. We took it with less size. We'll see what happens. We have ES coming into this 15-minute gap currently right now. This is definitely a potential reversal spot. But we're going to hope and pray. Uh-oh, wait. We got 14 seconds on the 15-minute time frame here. Let's see if we end up inversing this gap. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Boom. We inverse that 15-minute gap. But we still could get a retrace here. I like where our stop loss is because we have a 5-minute volume imbalance right here that could protect us. So what we want to see is we want to see price come into, let's X out this 15-minute gap. We want to see price come into this 1 minute and reject off of it. That would be ideal scenario if we could do that. If we inverse this, we might start pooping our pants. Because we do have ES tapping into it. It's doing the tappy tappy. It's doing the tappy tappy. We want to see a bearish candle closure out of this. And then we could do the tappy tappy. What are you saying, grabbing who by the nose? We're going to do the tappy tappy. This will still be a 1 to 2 risk to reward. I like that candle closure. Out of that. What I am going to do is I am going... If we go below this low, I am going to reduce my risk to 20 points. Just because we've taken a loss already. We're swimming. We're swimming. We're swimming. People are probably going to think I am so weird, but it's okay. We're on the leading index to the downside also. So, we're going to do the tappy tappy. Alright, Wing Wong, I want you to do that. I want you to do this too. Look, if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we're going to be approaching the Fibonacci levels of this area, so we can reverse back higher. This is actually going to be my break even. Right here. And then if we reach this level, I'm going to start trailing my stop loss in profit. Okay? Okay. I'm going to reduce risk to 23 points on this to 29,412. 29,412. Because we still have the potential to continue higher. Okay, look at the tappy tappy. Oh no, we don't like it that. Oh no. We don't want to break structure here. Only 1 minute. We want to respect this. 3, 2. Okay. We might want to continue higher here. We're touching VWAP right now. You want to see us? You want to see us kind of follow through here? Regardless on this trade, risk is reduced to a lot. Like we literally have cut it more than in half. So, but if we break structure inverse here, I might cut the trade. See, oi. I know, tappy tappy. We might get stopped out here. We might get stopped out here. Let's see if it wants to stop people out at break even and continue lower. Let's see. I'm just going to keep my stop loss where it's at. I'm going to keep my stop loss where it's at. We do have this that could protect us right here. But I'm going to keep my stop loss where it's at. Let's see if it wants to stop people at break even and continue lower. Let's see. We might get stopped out. See if we get stopped out on this candle. See if more orders want to get filled and we continue lower though. It's a possibility. So I didn't want to go break even yet. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We don't want to respect this 1 minute. We want to push right through it. If we push right through it, I'm going straight to break even. If we inverse this gap and we go underneath this most recent low, I'm going straight to break even. Where's my break even? I'm just gonna X this out. I don't care about this anymore. See if we reverse higher off this. Come on, baby. Let's get some follow through here. This is the spot where we can reject off of. Yeah, we don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. We'll see. We're going to trust our trade, accept the risk. Because we're risking way less. We're risking like $40 on this trade right now per account. So around $400.
We have a new genetic for y'all here. This one's sure.
Oh my god. Wing Wong, we don't like that candle. We're in this 5-minute gap too, but we inversed it. Oh, I don't like that candle. You motherfucker. I don't like that candle at all. Yeah, I don't like that candle. I'm still holding. I'm still holding. Can we just totally fuck that candle and break structure to the downside in the 1 minute? I would love to see that. I'd like to see a nice candle to the downside, break structure on the 1 minute, but I don't like how we just formed that new lower low like that. I mean, the new higher low. And respected that 1 minute. I'd like to see a break past that. I'm not a fan, but I'm fine with my risk right now on this trade. Yeah. What is that beat, dude? What kind of beat is that? Oh my.
$5,000 FTMO challenge. Start now.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm going to get stopped out on this trade. Son of a bitch. Managed risk well, though.
Stop filled.
Oh, you suck. Wow. Big dupe to the butthole on that one. Yep, so is mine. Damn, dude. I got smoked today. I got smoked. Make sure you exit all your positions. I mean, for 2 trades, Wing Wong, we followed our risk pretty good. Yeah, I thought that was going to follow through too. Alright, so I lost a total of $216 on the first trade, then $49 in the second trade. It's not bad risk. Look at this baby go. And we inverse the 15, and we inverse the 5-minute. Really? I guess we have those relative equal highs above, I guess you could say. Right up here. We got piped today. Two losses for me today. Hey man, at least I just don't post my wins though. Alright, I took 2 losses today, so I have to be done. So, yeah. Post that, and then we'll post this. Post my positions. I swear, Wing Wong. Are you joking? Oh, Wing Wong, look at this shit, man. Ah, it's so funny. Wow. That's a big wick. We're still gonna respect that 5-minute. Ah, and I got my booty kicked today. I think we managed risk really well in the second trade. Emotions were good in the trade. We lost $265 per account. These accounts still have $1,900 of drawdown room. Yeah. That's really pretty much it. I mean, we're still up 2.2K on the month. Oh my Wing Wong. Wing Wong. Wing Wong. Wing Wong. Wing Wong. I swear if we break structure and inverse this gap, oh my days. Okay. Okay. All right. If you continue lower to my take profit, I'm going to go crazy. But they have to be done today. It's whatever though, Wing, right? We've been doing pretty good though. I feel like we haven't taken any trades. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days since we've taken a trade. We've got 2 wins. We've got 2 losses. 2 losses compared to 1 win. Still more. So, I think we're looking good. Let's go to this. Excuse me. Let's go to this month. We have a 42% win rate. 1 to 1, 1.8. 1 to 8 RR. Hey, we're gonna do just fine. All right. Well, again, this is recorded live. We'll get this posted up also on Instagram of the loss, and then we'll go from there. We gave it another shot. We trusted our bias, trusted our trade. Our opportunity was there. I like how we went in 1 micro because of how that candle closed. We got it on our entry. Originally, our stop loss was up here. So this could have prevented us from taking a bigger loss. We moved our first area. We reduced risk off it. We didn't move completely to break even, which I do like because it looked like we wanted to go into break even. And when this candle, I thought it was going to close all the way down here. I mean, maybe we could have had the potential to just trust the trade. Trust the what we were seeing here and close the trade. But I really liked my risk. We were risking $49 compared to risking $168. We were risking $168 at one point. We ended up losing what? Where did we get stopped out at? We got stopped out at 29,411. 29,411. So we got stopped out for 21 points when we were risking 70. So I think it's pretty good. It's whatever. Days like this happen. Sound good, Wing and D Blicky? System followed, rules followed, risk followed. Market didn't go in our direction. That's all we could do. Si, senor? All right. Peace out.